If you can't read candle psychology, you're trading blindly. Here's a simple pocket broker price action strategy that uses pure candlestick behavior to catch high probability entries. In this video, I took a few live trades and explained every setup in real time, including the wins and losses. So make sure to watch till the end. This is not financial advice and the video is for educational purpose only. Make sure to like and subscribe. Okay, so I think I found my first opportunity right here. So I'm planning to take a trade with the sellers. Okay, let me put the horizontal line right here. Okay, so I want to take a trade with the sellers right here. Okay, there we go. So this will be my first trade and I'll explain to you why I took the trade. So as you can see, we had these green candles, and this is purely based on candlestick psychology. So we have these green candles. They were huge candles, as you can see, but we had this marabuzo, and then the candle after that was green but very small as it approached the supply area. So there's an indication that the buyers are getting weaker. We also have this strong downtrend, so that was a winning trade, guys. So we also have this strong downtrend, so going with the sellers in such a trend is always the best option. So guys, if you want to understand more about candlestick psychology, we have a mentorship. You can contact me through Telegram. You can also check out our Telegram channel. The link will be in the description. So let's look for another opportunity. Take a trade and I'll explain. Okay, I think we'll have an opportunity right here to go with the sellers. Okay, I want to take a trade with the sellers right here. Let the price get to our supply area, and then I'll take a trade with the sellers. Okay, so let me draw a horizontal line. Okay, there we go. So I just took a trade with the sellers. So I took it exactly at the body of the supply area. So the reason is quite simple. We have this price channel. As you can see, the price is moving inside this price channel. So anytime the market gets to our trend line, we expect the sellers to get into the market. We are also moving in a downtrend. Okay, but it looks like we're going to lose this trade. Okay, this is a loss. Okay, we lost that one. So it happens. Unfortunately, the market decided to break everything once we at this particular moment. So it happens, guys. If such a thing happens, don't beat yourself up. Don't blame the strategy. Eventually every single range breaks. So okay, let's look for another opportunity and make up for this loss. Okay, so right here, if the market comes down, I'll take a trade. We expect a green candle right here. Okay, I took my trade with the buyers. So we expect a green candle right here, and I'll tell you why. So first of all, as you can see, we have 3 red candles, and in the other side we have 3 green candles. So we have okay, that was a win. So we have candle pattern. So we have, as you can see, after we had these 3 green candles, we had a red candle. So we expect 3 red candles and a green candle. We are also in a demand area, and also if you look carefully, we also have a resistance area right here. Okay, let me zoom out. Yeah, so we are inside a a resistance area. So the demand area is inside a resistance, so there was very high chances for this candle to be green. So let's look for another opportunity. So you have to understand candlestick psychology for you to be profitable. You have to combine it with demand and supply, and only that way will you be consistent. Only that way will you increase your winning rate. So let's look for another opportunity. Okay, right here, if this candle closes on this horizontal line, I'll take a trade with the buyers. So let's see. Okay, it's rejecting. Okay, it rejected. So okay, let's move on. Let's look for another opportunity. Okay, I think we have an okay. I want to take this trade with, okay, let it come down. Okay, I took a trade. I believe that this candle will be a green candle, and let me show you why. So we have this, we have a support area down here. So the candle closed exactly in our support area, and as you can see, we have a very, okay, that was a win. We have this very huge exhaustion candle, and if you look in the past of the market, it closed exactly in the support area. And if you look at you have an identical scenario right here. We had this huge red candle closing exactly at the support area. So after that, we created this huge green candle. So I expected a green candle after this other huge red candle, and that is why I took this trade. And yeah, it closed as a win. So make sure to like this video, make sure to subscribe, and leave a comment if you want me to make more videos like this one. So that will be it for today. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.